There's a 99% chance that you're always singing wrong.
What?
Yes.
Let's find out if you're among the 99%. Take a deep breath and now sing the word love as loud as you can. Did you run out of breath? Was your throat paining you? Did you feel pain in your throat when you sang it? If you experienced any of these things that I said, then you are among that 99%. But don't worry, if you stay with me in a few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact fix that will help you to correct that problem so that next time when you sing, you'll be singing rightly. One of our students had exactly this problem. Every time she sings, especially when she goes to the church or she sings with her choir, her voice is gone. She feels pain. She runs out of breath. She's always panting. And so we gave her this exact fix that I'm going to give you in this class. And she never faces such problem again. And the same thing can happen for you starting from today. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you want a clarity on your voice, you want to know the next level for your voice, you want to understand your voice better, then you can check out our Vocal Clarity Starter Kit that is going to give you the 3 essential things that will help you to clarify your voice. And if you want to take it a step further, that starter kit comes with a chance to have a chat or a call with one of our coaches at the Institute to be able to know the next step for your voice. What is that mistake that you're making that is making your sound to be hurtful? Because singing is not supposed to be painful. Singing is supposed to be what? It's supposed to be stress-free. And that mistake that you're making is actually pushing your sound from your throat instead of supporting your sound from the breath. So you're pushing your sound from your throat instead of supporting your sound from your breath. Imagine this is your voice. If I squeeze this from the top, barely anything will come out. From here, nothing will come out. But if I squeeze it from the bottom, a lot will come out. So the flow will be steady. I'm trying not to dirty my clothes. Your breath is the bottom. Your throat is the top. If you push from the throat, you're literally choking your sound. So you have to use your breath to support your sound. Sometimes we think of singing like it is a force. Sometimes when we meet beginners, we will ask them, okay, sing. Let's say they've been speaking normally, like they've been talking to you. Hi, coach, I need your help. I want you to help me to sing better. But immediately you tell them, sing, you will just hear, go easy on me, baby. Thinking that singing means that they have to use force to bring it up. But no, singing has to be stress free. Singing has to be something that when you are done, you are in the best position. In short, you are in your happiest mood. You are in that situation whereby you feel like, oh, I have arrived. That is how singing should be. You would see big artists like Adele, Ariana, Sisawena, Sinach. You see them hit high notes. Whitney Houston, you see them hit high, big notes. And you try to match the volume instead of the technique. Last, in this video here, I spoke about myths that are destroying your voice. And these myths One of those myths is copying great singers. You think that by copying great singers, you will sound well. And one comment got me because the person said, "Oh, I copy great singers in short, and my voice is very free." It's not a bad thing. And I told him, possibly you are not mimicking them. When I'm talking about copying great singers as a myth, I mean that you just listen to them. Maybe you hear, and I will always, and then you're like copying them to match their volume and do, and I, not knowing that they're actually using technique to arrive there. But you are matching it with your own volume, thereby putting a lot of force and pushing the sound out of your throat. The truth about these great singers is that they don't push harder. They actually release better. Does that make sense? They release the sound better. So if you want to sing with their technique, you have to be able to release the sound better so that you can actually produce something beautiful to the ear. Let's take a look at Adele's Easy on Me. If you sing it with throat tension, it's going to be like, go easy. Oh my god, I can't do that. I can't do that. Okay. But look at when you have proper breath support with it. Oh, easy on me, baby. You see how that it is? It sounds more relaxed. Go easy on me, baby. Hear the difference. You see that I'm using less effort, but I'm using more resonance. So how are we going to fix it now? First is that you may need to ground your posture. There is no singing without good posture that lasts. So you need to ground it. You need to make sure that you have good posture. If you're sitting to sing, you sit well. If you sit tall. If you're standing, you stand tall. Don't just sit like this and expect to sing well, even if it sounds well, but you're hurting your voice for the long run. Your feet should be under your hips, a foot apart, a foot apart. Your knees should be soft, not bended like you bend it. No, such that it will be slightly bent. Your shoulders should not rise. Most times when we tell beginners to breathe in deeply, you will see a lot of beginners less because they want to be. No, once you do that, you create tension. And you do not even allow the breath that you're taking, you're inhaling, to go down into the space created by the diaphragm. So you need to have the shoulders down, relaxed, so that the air will go in and come out freely. Then breathe in for 4 counts. Breathe into your ribs. Hold for 4 counts. And then hiss out for 8 counts. Repeat this 3 times. So after you're done with that, you can pause this video and do it 3 times. Now, add a sigh. Inhale into your ribs, feel the expansion, hold it, and then release. Then add like a relief. Again, inhale, hold, release. The R should come like like a sigh, like you're relieved. Let's go again. Hold. Ah. Good. Now use that sigh before singing the first line of your song, like go easy on me, baby. So let's go. Inhale. Ah, go easy on me, baby. Did you see how much easier it is? That sounds much more easier than when you have to do the answer shout. I don't even want to do it because it hurts my voice when I do that. So, if you want to sing with ease, let's even try let it go. Let's try it. Inhale, hold it, release. Let it go. Let it go. Did you see that? Amazing. So when our Susan learned this, like she stopped losing her voice, she stopped fearing high notes, and she started enjoying singing again. And it's not magic, it's not something that is strange, it's not something that is impossible for you, my dear. It's simply learning how to use your body correctly. So if you want the same freedom, you need to start with our voice clarity starter kit. Or you just comment voice and we'll send it to you. If you're always singing and your voice sounds like a copy of your favorite artist and you're not happy, you want to really sound like you're not growing, you're feeling stuck, then you need to watch this next video.